Okay guys, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today me and my friend Faham
Hello.
want to discussing about integral part of human life in this modern era. What is that? That is about AI. So without wasting time again, let's go to the to start this discussion. Okay. So Fahim, I want to ask you first. What do you think about AI?
Okay, maybe in my perspective, AI is one of the newest technology that appear in this era, and you know what? For me, it's one of the big change of world, right? Yeah, but maybe if I directly answer, it will be very like common, you know. Maybe as a speaker here, a special speaker, I want to ask the only host first. I want to know how you think about AI.
It's okay. On my
Opinion?
perception, yeah.
Okay.
I've heard a lot of things about that.
Okay.
And maybe it's one of the game changing in this era.
Yeah.
Moreover, in this 2024 until 2025, yeah. I remember when 2018, yeah, a lot of people said IT student will always get a job and big salary.
Yes, I have heard that a lot, bro. Come on. I mean, like, even my mother told me, Fahim, try to become an IT student. Because why? Because it's easy to get a job and big salary, right?
Yes. My parents also always said like that. But I want to continue it. But you can see now, you can just make incredible things only using a simple word of words. Or recall it prompt as the software developer. I learned about 1 year full for learn how to make website, and now everyone can just make it just in 1 day from scratch without learning how to really make it.
Yes, I agree with it. I mean, like, bro, imagine we've learned for 1 year full for make a website, right?
Yes, I agree with that.
Yes. And now, look, everyone can make it just
1 day.
From.
Yes,
One
just
day
using
using from. Even they can make it a lot of big website in 1 day, bro. Come on. This is a very big changing in this era.
Okay, so next, I have I want to ask you.
Yeah?
I've heard you have been joined event about AI. What is event about?
Okay, alright. So, yeah, as the host said, I've been joined. It's like an event in Cawang, Bekasi, about talking about AI. Yep. So in this event, they told us about the history of AI, and you know, fun fact, when the World War II era, yep, AI made it faster. I mean, like, it supposed to be a few years, but because AI, it stopped. It stopped easily, and because that is one of the big changes in that era also. But the difference is, in that era, the only person or people who use AI is only the mechanism, the
Yes.
people who can use it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But look now, everyone can make it. Everyone can just like go to website ChatGPT, download, and they may download Gemini or maybe another AI. And after we learn about the history of AI, we learn about AI in Indonesia. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is another fun fact that Indonesia, our AI level is still on generate. What it means that we only use AI for generate something, such like make a website,
Yes.
make a photo, video, and audio, such like music, like Google Film, and others. And we got told about the tools as well, such like
Yes.
Notebook LM and a lot of things. And maybe I recommend you Notebook LM. Yeah, Notebook LM.
I
I recommend that book.
okay.
Why? Because you know what? With that website, you can just put all information that you have such like PDF or maybe slide, and you can put into notebook LM, and he can learn what do you put. Then you can just ask him, what do you need? And you know what? Not only that, it can generate a new slide based by the information we've put. And not only slide, he can also make a video. I've tried it before. It's big. I put all of the material, wonder material about how to make website using Laravel into notebook LM. And just in one day, he can make the video about how to learn it perfectly. Bro, that's very insane. And not, it's free. It's made by Google. Yep. So if you are a Gemini user, you can just go to Gemini and try notebook LM. And maybe you can try too.
I will see the notebook LLM, but actually I user of Gemini. Yeah.
Oh,
I use it for brainstorming, searching ideas, deep talking, for
Oh my God.
talking about ship, maybe by the way,
Alright.
and how much again? Okay, so I have one ask again. Do you worry about AI taking over jobs in our field?
About that, maybe as knowledge that I have from that event, they said that in the 2030, as I remember, AI will take over 90% of our jobs. And this is the main point. You wanna be the guy who's get chance or the guy who use it? Yep, that's the incredible things and one of the best knowledge that I've heard in that event. And maybe I'll continue about the event, right?
Yes.
Okay. So after we learn about the story, tools, and the AI, oh yeah, maybe I forgot to tell you that in international, they made a website. AI called AI agent. So
Oh yeah, agent.
yeah, so that AI can control all of their laptop, the entire things about their laptops. Even they can control his PC. Like they can play games and maybe edit a video and other things inside with just a single of prompt. And one of my mentor there, he even use it for his job. So his job is just to learn more about the AI, and the AI take over his job. Every night he just sleep, and the AI will automatically looking for a person or maybe even that compatible with that company and told him at the morning. Yeah, that's incredible. And that in international state. Yes. So after we learn about that, we get new knowledge also about how to use AI correctly. Like how to prompt correctly. So maybe as a beginner of AI, a lot of people just use AI such a friend. Like maybe one of the words they ever made is say hello to AI. So basically there's a function called token. Token, it's a counter of a single word.
Yes.
Nah, okay, perfect. Then a lot of every single word that we've put. As I remember, what 4 words is one token. Yep, it's called as token. So even you say hello to the AI, so you've spent about 4 token only for nothing. Yep, and the other thing also, basically AI is only code. Nothing special about it. It's only code. Yep, because that the best user of AI, I think, is the software development like us. Why? Because we not only use it, we learn it. Okay, this is maybe one of the good quotes that I've heard. The best guy who using sword is the swordman, right?
Right.
Everyone can use a sword, but who the best user of the sword is the swordman only. Just like the AI, everyone can use AI, but the only guy who can use AI perfectly, the one who learn it.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. After we've learned about the prompt, we try to practice it. I mean, like we try to make a lot of things, such like a poster, how to make a poster correctly using AI, so we don't use like AI slap. You mean? Okay. Then the second, we try to make a presentation using AI, and even the event held by AI. Yeah. So basically, our event that I've joined that get idea from AI. Yeah, get a lot of big change in this world. Okay. And the next one, after we do that, we try to make agentic AI also.
Yes.
Oh yeah, maybe there's a bit presentational course about the kind of AI, such like agentic AI, and maybe what is agent AI and agentic AI, what is the difference, and what is automation, token, and other things. And fun fact, in the 2030 letter, after the AI take over the jobs, all of the jobs. So, what the function of human? Of course, we will ask that, right? Okay. So I'll tell you, the function of human is to be more humanity. Why? Because AI is a robot. They doesn't know about the role of human. Moreover, about the emotional. Maybe for make it easy, just like this. We talk about website. Alright. So maybe we know about copyright, right?
Right.
Yeah. As a human, we know a few of maybe source or asset have a copyright inside, but I don't. They are just like whatever they think is good. Yep. So because that's our role, we have to be humanity, more humanity. And after that, we make agent AI at the last. We use a base 44 for the 5 AI agent. Yeah, you can try it also. That's free.
Oh, that's
cool.
free.
Yeah, that's free. It's very cool. In that time, I've tried to make agent AI where it can send a message where I get from Gmail into my Discord. To my WhatsApp. And from my WhatsApp, I just write what I want to send into the user who send me the Gmail. Then after I typing, that word will get sent again into the guy who send his words into my Gmail, because that is very big. That's good enough, bro. Maybe just that. After that, we just closing and take picture together.
Okay.
And maybe as a host, what do you think about the AI in this word socialization? I'm like, in the social media, we see a lot of creator now using AI for make that video. What do you think about that?
So I think about that the AI for social media life is help us to make video quickly, like before AI there in this world, we have to open the software edit and think the
idea.
Yeah, our idea about the video and search the concept, searching the data and something again. Then we use the software edit to edit the video, and it's need a long time.
Yeah,
Maybe
I agree with you.
needs 1 hour until 2 hour, or maybe until 3 hours for just for one video. Yeah, maybe like that. AI so help us to making a video, photo, or document or something else again for make it quickly. So maybe just that.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Arya, maybe as a host in this video, what do you think? Do you ever imagine? Maybe in 2030 later, we don't use like this. Maybe when we see this video, the background is not really background. There's the Quran, and maybe this is a pillar. What do you think? Later in the maybe 2040 or 2050, I will change a lot. Not only AI, like AI will combine with another software that we cannot imagine more. Imagine in that video, our background is this, and we just like, and we change the background into maybe a beach or maybe we are on the sky. Oh, that's very cool.
Wow, that's very cool. Okay guys, so because the time is runs out, we just close this discuss. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum
much.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Arya.
Yeah, thank you. Paham.